Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. User need to take a user input n and user need to take a user input n with 7-digit input. It is a 7-digit input and user need to take out the last three digits and user need to add that 3 digits in the starting of the number and starting of the number and user need to print that number. That's it. Simple problem. So which means, for example, I have given 7-digit number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So what's this last 3-digit number? 896, right? 896. So you have to put 896 at front, and after that 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7 will come. So 896 I'm putting at starting, and the remaining 4, 5, 6, 7 should be after that. It will come. After that it will come. It will come. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So import java dot util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So int n is equal to sc dot next in, and I have to take out the first of all I have to take out the last 3 digits. How can I digit? I will take last 3 digits is equal to n mod 1000. So why I'm writing 1000? Why I'm writing 1000? Because if I want one last digit, I will use 10 and mod 10. It will give. So consider this input. Consider this input. So if I do n mod 10, I will get 6. I will get 6. Why? Because the last digit is 6. And if I do n mod 100, I will get 9. I will get 96. I will get 96. I will get 96. And if I do n mod 1000, what I will get? I will get 896. I'll get 896. 896. So that's why I'm writing here 9 mod 1000. Why I'm writing 1000? Because I will get last 3 digits. I want, first of all, I have to get the last 3 digits, and I have to move to the first. I have to move to the first. So that's why I want last 3 digits, and I'm getting the last digits. I got the last 3 digits, and after that I have to remove the last digits. How can I do it? N is equal to n by 1000, n by 1000. So same thing will appear like this one. Instead of mod, I will do by. I will do by. For example, if I do n by 2, n by 10, it will remove 6. It will remove 6. It will if I do n by 100, it will remove 96. And if I do n mod n by 1000, it will remove 896. It will remove 896. 896. So I'm taking this 896 and I'm removing this 896. After removing 896, what will be there? 4, 5, 6, 7 will be there. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7 only will be there. Will be there. I hope you understand why I'm doing n is equal to n by 10. First of all, I want 896, but I have to remove that number in the original number, right? Original number. So I have to remove the numbers. So that's why I'm using n is equal to n by 1000. So the final result is equal to so I have to add this first thing, right? So I will use last 3 digits into 10,000 into 10,000. Why I'm writing 10,000? How many digits are there here? Ones, tens, 100, 10,000. Why I'm writing 10,000? Because after adding this 896 into 10,000, after I have to add 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why I'm using 10,000. So that's why I'm using 10,000. I hope you understand. Why I'm using 10,000? Because here I'm having 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits are there? 10,000 digits, like ones, tens, 100, 10,000 digits, right? 4,005, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is 4 zeros, right? 4 zeros. We have to require 4 zeros. That's why I'm using 4 zeros here. I will add 896 into 10,000. Then I will get 896 in 0, 0, 0, 0. What I will get? 896 0, 0, 0, 0. Then I will add that number to 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, where it will be there? I will add n now. I will add n now. So after removing, the n will be updated, right? So the n value will be updated and they will be stored in here. So let's print it. System dot out dot println a result. So what should be the output? So this should be the output. This should be the output. 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 So this should be the output. Let's run this program. Okay, I have to comment all these things. Let's run this program again. So println. So what I have to give? 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. So what should be the output? 8, 9, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 8, 9, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you understand what I have did. I have taken the input. I have removed the last 3 digits by using n mod 1000. And after getting that 3 digits, I have to remove that 3 digits from the original number, right? So for removing that 3 digits from the original number, I'm using n is equal to n by 1000. After removing it, I will take one variable and I will use the last 3 digits and I will into 10,000 and plus and I will do n because 896 into 10,000 will give 896,000,000. Why? Because we are having 7 digits. So that's why it should match the 7 digits. That's why I'm using 10,000. And plus, I will add the remaining 4 digits, 4, 5, 6, 7. After removing these 3 digits, will be there. That number I'm adding, and the result will be stored in result, and I'm printing that result. That's it. So coding is very simple. It's a step-by-step process. You have to think. That's it. So that's it, friends. If you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members. so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.